This isn't focused. Hold on. Hold on. Good morning, guys. I don't know if this is the opening to your video, but I'm gonna open it because I found the camera and I was like, you know, I just want to start the video. I just really got back from cross country. We were supposed to go running, but instead we all just went to the park. It was awesome, you know? So that was fun. I don't really know what we're doing today, but yeah. Good morning. Today, Mom is back at the property doing the house stuff. So today, I'm going to be teaching Cody how to clean a toilet because usually I'm the one to clean it. But it's time for Cody to learn. I need some help because we have four. Oh. Okay. Because we have 4 bathrooms in Grandma's house. We have Grandma's, the guest, Julie's basically, but it's mostly the guest, then us kids, and then the laundry room. And those are the 4 bathrooms. And so usually what I do is I'll start with the furthest one, so Grandma's, then mine, then Julie's, then the one that is closest to where I put the bathroom stuff away. I'm gonna have Cody clean Julie's bathroom, so this one, and I'm gonna have him also clean the laundry room one. Well, I do my bathroom, well, basically us kids' bathroom, and Grandma's, because, you know, gotta keep those nice and clean. But yeah, so I'm gonna be teaching him how to clean, so yeah. Okay, so, ooh, the lighting's really bad. Hold on, don't do anything. Is that better? No, is it yellow? Let's open the shades real quick. Hold on, we need better lighting. So you can see.
Another shower.
Here they are. It's called Sour Patch Kids. That's really bright, but it's okay. So we'll just face it towards us. Okay, so, oh, Cody, that was bad. Do you know what the first thing to do is? Flush? No. Well, if there's something, then yes. Okay, so lift the whole toilet seat up. And then sit you. Yeah, that's very disgusting. Don't worry, clean your guys' toilet.
Yeah, and put that on there and then it'll turn blue.
Yep, so you're gonna scrub. I'm not gonna show you the toilet because it's kind of gross. Like, you're gonna scrub the sides.
I want to show it though.
You do? Ew.
It's only Boston that poops in here though.
That's true. Because Boston, yeah. Okay, so try to, you scrub the whole toilet. Have fun. Why is this so weird? this is
Blue.
I know, it like turns blue. So make sure you scrub it. And when you think that you've got it, flush the toilet and make sure. If it's not, then yep, scrub it.
Okay.
Sit down. Hold on. You're doing this wrong. Your form's wrong. Both hands. You're like, this toilet is a beast. You have to tame it.
All over it again.
Huh?
One time this guy had a major blowout and it was so nasty.
Ew, with a laundromat?
Yes.
You had to clean it?
I have to clean it every time.
Ew. Okay, and then when you think it's done, flush the toilet. You're doing good for the first time cleaning the toilet. Ew. Yeah, and then after all this, you gotta wash your hands like really well.
Yep.
I washed my hands for too long, I think, because I'm like, ew.
Wash it. Close that.
Nope. Open it.
I don't like it splashy.
Oh, that's right. Okay, shake the toilet brush off, like hit the sides just slightly, so it doesn't like go like this. Just, or like this, like like that. Okay, and then, no. Cody.
Yeah, and then put it in the toilet. Put it in the garbage.
Yes. No. Because you're going to use that for the other bathroom. So just you put it in the side where nothing's in. That sounds really gross, but really good. You need to be like, we need to have like a better like spot. Okay, now you're going to get toilet paper. Hold on. Toilet paper. Oh, sorry. Paper, towels. Okay, and then, nope, come here.
Do I have to wipe on the inside as well?
No, not necessarily. So you get a good piece of toilet paper, a piece, check. Hold on. Okay. And then when you go like this, I'm just gonna all soaked up in water. And then you're gonna scrub the inside of the toilet. So wait. Come on. Okay, so you're gonna do nope. Yeah, that's disgusting. You gotta do the rim first, and then the outside of the bowl.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, and then you always get the outside because that gets really dusty sometimes. This is really nice not having to clean it and being able to teach it instead. I like this. And make sure you see like those little like not backlighting, why did I say that? Like little flat spot, no, the flat spots. Yeah, you wipe those down because those get really dusty. You gotta do it on both sides.
What is that?
Huh? I don't know. I think it's just like, oh, those are the bolts that are keeping the toilet down, and so they just cover it with those, but it came off, I guess. So.
I remember Dad doing this on a video. Remember when he installed the toilet? The house really flipped.
Oh yeah. Okay. Now you're gonna wipe all that entire rim. Yeah, it's really disgusting.
Lincoln won't stop. Lincoln always stands up.
So do you.
I never stand up anymore.
Oh, well, you used to when you were little. You gotta wipe it really good, otherwise you have to re-clean.
It's always so cold.
Okay, now fold it. Fold your piece of toilet paper. Just don't touch the inside, because that's good. No. Your face. Okay, no. Okay, now you're done with that. Now flip that part down. And do the seat.
The butt cheek part.
Yeah, the butt cheek part. Like really good. You want that nice and clean. And then wipe the flat spot of the lid. And then you can always get a new one. Do you want to get a new piece of toilet paper? Oh my heck.
Yes.
Okay. Ew. No, yep.
Oh, we gotta get these will go right here, and then we'll put like the inside one right here so it looks like it's smoking.
Yep, we do that too many times, I think. He looks so goofy.
I'm poking his out.
Okay. So now you're gonna get a piece of toilet paper and wipe the top of the toilet. So you get a piece of paper, toilet paper, and then put some water on it.
Toilet paper.
No, oh heck.
Paper towel.
Paper towels. Now fold it into like a square. My hand's really shaky, sorry.
Focus.
Get it all kind of soaked, kind of like when we'd wash the floors. That's just basically what we're doing. Yeah, when we'd take paper towels and scrub the floors.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you're gonna do the top part. And that's the dustiest. I feel like every time I clean it's really dusty, so make sure you get all of the dust. And then this is the part that needs the most, is this little back part. Make sure you scrub that. So it's nice and clean. It's kind of gross, but you'll wash your hands after. Okay, now you're gonna get a dry paper towel and wipe over all that. So you can throw that away. Okay, now get a dry paper towel and wipe all those spots that are still wet. Oh, his eye! Now he looks like Mike Wazowski. Is it Wazowski or Mazowski?
I think it's Wazowski.
Me
We
too.
watched it the other day.
I know, it's my favorite.
But we watched the university one.
The university is so cute. I love it. Now you gotta clean the mirror. Yeah, don't mind that messy kitchen over there. We'll clean that later. So then, usually I wipe both the mirrors, the countertop. Oh, I thought that really hard. I didn't mean to do that. Wipe the countertops, wipe the handle, wipe those handles, wipe the floor, and then if this ever needs dusted, I'll take it, I'll lift this up and take a paper towel right under it. So it's nice and clean, make sure everything's all neat and put together. So yeah, we can do that. Let's clean the mirror. Do you know how to clean a mirror? You sure?
Glass cleaner.
Glass cleaner? Yep. Can you see the mirror from here? You can. All
Get a paper towel. Please.
just oh, that was beautiful.
Can't even
Oh, darn it. No. No, I do, but these ones are the weird ones, not the normal ones.
You gotta get the one with the bears on it.
The bears. Oh yeah. What is that called?
I can't remember.
It's
no,
like-
they're soft toilet paper.
Yeah. Usually, Cody, what I would do is I'll take your paper. No, it's not. Usually, what you do is what I do is I'll get the cleaner everywhere, because then eventually you'll go back and you'll clean it all. So that's what I do is I spread it out. Watch out.
I need you to demonstrate me more.
You realize that you're cleaning the next bathroom.
You have to do two?
Yeah, we're each doing two, and if you don't clean the next one,
You only have.
you have 4.
Oh.
And then I take.
I'll do mine.
I'm doing mine. That's mine.
I'll do the.
I'm doing ours.
I'm doing the. Yes, let's go.
Yeah, that one's the dirtiest.
Yay.
And then I take a wet.
No.
Wet?
And
Nah, dry. Cody. Then I take a dry one, and then if there's any wet spots,
grab it.
paper towel.
Good job.
It's not toilet paper. Stop lighting the lighter. Not lighting. You're gonna light something on fire. You're almost gonna get really nervous. Because this is her house that we're in.
We're not in a house. We're in a thing over our head. In a room.
It's called
It has a flushy flush.
Yeah. But yeah, any part of the mirror that you need to clean it. Okay, so I do too. Okay, and then you get a beautiful clean mirror. Now I gotta do the baby one. Can you see it?
No,
Okay, clean it.
I can't see it. All I see is my beautiful face.
Me too. Actually, never mind. Last time I looked in the mirror, I broke it. What's that do? It's okay. You don't need to touch your like a doll. Oh. Should I take this one? This needs more time.
This needs cleaning as well.
Oh my god. Could you imagine? So get it wet and scrub the counter. What are the boys doing downstairs?
Playing Mario Kart,
Fun.
like always.
Like always. I never let them do it. Why is the inside of this so like dirty? Okay. And then the number one thing that you have to make sure is that you clean this. So make sure that it's all nice and wet. And clean that. I'm not cleaning this part. Now you're just cleaning the floor. This is my least favorite part. It sucks. It's okay though. So the number one thing to do is toilet first. That's what I usually do because I just get over with the gross stuff. Then mirrors, then countertop, then sink, and soap, then floors, and then sometimes window.
I never get perfect rips. Rip-wise or other different rips. What? Yeah. Top. Perfect rip! Oh yeah. And then dry everything down. All clean, guys! I did it! There we go. And then, so, since it's a small counter, I'm only going to use one. Put a little bit of water, squeeze it, unfold it so it's damp everywhere. We only come in here to do our laundry, which our dryer's broken, so we have to hang things up. This bathroom, it's done.
Okay, now we're just all on our bikes. The guys are behind me. And so we're gonna go down to Grandma's now because we got all of our work done. We took a break because I was tired. And so now we're just basically going to Grandma's. Slight change in plan. Cody's bike broke. Something came off of it. So we're heading back home. We're going to try to find the piece because it broke off somewhere, but we're not seeing it. But yeah.